Look at the ProCharger. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I'm sure you guys are very excited about this video that's coming up in front of your faces right now. And obviously it's going to be on this beautiful C7 Corvette. We're going to be doing the assembly of the front accessories. Obviously the blower doesn't belong there. We're going to actually take that, put it on the table, get all the other parts integrated and out of the boxes that they're in, and put them on the table as well. But we have a little bit of an issue with the table. And I want to explain to you what's going on here. So a guy named James contacted me. Love you, James. Freaking awesome. And he contacted me a while ago and he said, hey, I'm going to be down in your area and I have all these GM service manuals for 90s, 80s, 90s, and early 2000 Corvette and Trans Am Camaro cars. And I was like, he was like, you know, I don't need them anymore. Would you want them? I was like, sure, I'll take them. And I'm thinking in my head, you know, he's probably gonna drop off like maybe 5 or 6 books, and that's about it. And I show up at work today because he dropped them off last night. I wasn't here. He dropped them off. I show up to work today, and there's 5 boxes, literally 5 boxes, guys, filled with service manuals. We'll take a quick peek here. We've got 1995 Corvette Service Manual, Book 2, Book 1, Drivability Electrical Diagnosis, a 96. I mean, there's just so many of them. What else we got here? Another service manual for Camaro Firebird. I don't know. It looks like a 2000 model year. Here's another box. Like, just so many of them. 97 Corvette, 98 Corvette. We got a whole bunch down here. We've got more in here. 1987 Corvette, and the whole box is filled. This whole entire box is filled up with these service manuals. Here's another one. More of the service manuals for the 2000 F-body platform. The 96, what is this, Camaro Firebirds, LT1s, obviously. Here's another freaking box of books. It's just crazy how many. I was not expecting all these books to be dropped off. 96, 95 Camaro Firebird, and obviously there's even more down there. But yeah, I was not expecting all those books to be dropped off. I was thinking a couple books, if that. I am getting 5 boxes of freaking stacked full books in here. So I want to thank James a lot for that. I really appreciate it. To be honest, I will probably honestly keep the newer stuff, like the 97, 98 Corvette, 99 Corvette stuff, the LS stuff, 98 F-body books. I'll probably end up keeping those. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with the older stuff. I don't really work on the older stuff, so I might end up getting rid of the older ones, like the 95 Corvette service manuals. I just don't do it, so there's no need for me to have them. But I will be keeping the newer stuff for references in the future, especially since my car is a 98. And I still do work on 4th Gen F bodies, and they're all pretty much the same. And I still do work on the 1st Gen LSs, like the 97, 98 Corvettes and 99 Corvettes as well. So those books are definitely going to come in handy for me in the future as I still work on those. But the other ones I'll probably end up, I don't know, maybe selling or getting rid of or giving away or something like that. But yeah, so very big thanks to James for that. Very, very big thanks for him. All right, on to the show, guys. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting the water pump on, the alternator. We're going to bolt up the AC as well because that needs bolted up. What else can we do? We can put the blower assembly on, which is sitting over here on the table. So we have the good old ProCharger here. Look at the ProCharger. You know, we have our bag of bolts. This is all the bolts that came off. Water pump gaskets, bolts, more bolts, ProCharger bracket set, all that junk stuff there. Freaking blah, blah, blah. So we're going to put all this stuff together. Hopefully we should make some good progress on getting the top end of this C7 together. And then once the Trailblazer is done in the back, and we can get that off the lift, we'll push this car back onto the lift. We'll go underneath, put the headers on. We'll probably make a nice little video about installing the headers and the exhaust piping that needs to be put back in and all that stuff. And obviously there's going to be a video of first startup on this car as well. So don't worry about that, guys. It's definitely going to happen. So and it's going to be pretty cool. I'm very anxious very happy that this has gotten this far, and I think once this thing's running and tuned in pretty good and on the dyno, it's gonna make some power, guys. This thing's definitely gonna make some freaking unbelievable power, and I'm excited. If you guys have a guess of what the power is that this thing's gonna make, so basically it has K-Tech ported heads, custom cam, brand new injectors, it has a custom fuel system, it has a ProCharger. I do not know what the boost is on the ProCharger yet. I'm guessing maybe 15 to 16 pounds, somewhere around that area. We might actually add more boost to it. We might bring it up to 18 pounds. Has an Innovators West lower pulley setup on it as well. What else does it have? Methanol injection. And it can run on full E85 as well. So if you guys have a guess of what kind of horsepower this C7 Z06, it is an automatic, by the way, I'll put that out there right now, it is an automatic, so basically a heads cam ProCharged automatic C7 Z06. If you guys have any inclination or idea of what power this thing might put down on Keith's Pit Stops dyno in Gettysburg when we get ready to finally tune this thing, leave a comment below, guys, and then obviously subscribe to the channel and obviously hit that notification bell to see that future video. You definitely don't want to miss that future video of this car on the dyno putting in some freaking work. So let's set the camera up. We'll probably do like a nice little time lapse of me just installing these parts. It's not that hard to do. And you guys can listen to some really awesome music in the background while I put all this stuff together. Guys, there you have it. The freaking supercharger, the ProCharger's on. We have the water pump on. We have the AC all bolted up. The brackets all bolted up. We did not put the alternator on, mainly because if we do, it's going to be in the way of our valve cover install, and we don't want to do that. So the alternator will probably be put on after the headers are in and the valve cover is on, which will be the next video on this car. Well, not the next video I make, but the next video on this car in particular. But yeah, ProCharger's all bolted up. We're ready to go. We got the boot on down there. Freaking, this guy can come up like so. Had to move a whole bunch of wires and everything over here, so that's why that looks like a stupid little mess going on. But that's what she looks like, guys. Freaking, I'm pretty stoked. This thing is getting closer and closer and closer to being done, and we're gonna be seeing some crazy freaking horsepower. Like, I'm thinking personally 640 to the wheel, full boost E85, and methanol injection. That's probably what we're going to be making. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. We are going to see 1,000. I am so dead set on seeing 1,000 horsepower out of this freaking Corvette finally, that I want to make sure it happens. No matter what I got to do, I want to make sure it happens. And I think I can get it there. I'm pretty damn confident I can get it there to over 1,000 wheel horsepower. And this thing's going to be a stupid monster of a car on an automatic transmission, 8-speed transmission, which is going to be pretty freaking cool, guys. So if you guys hopefully enjoyed this video, do me a big favor. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram is Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.